So I'm not really sure exactly where we are going, but I know we have to get on one of these boats back over here. And I think we take it all the way over to there. And then we finally get to be back on the beach.
On this episode of Trying Something New, we are going to leave the beauty of Bali for her sister island of Nusa Lembongan. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you want to see some more behind the scenes footage and other stuff that didn't make it in the video, check out our brand new Patreon page. The most popular way to get there is by fast boat, which costs $21 an adult and $14 a kid. It takes about 30 minutes to get there. All right, we're ready to go.
Where'd our bags go?
They took it.
Sky, you excited for the beach?
I like this one.
So I think we gotta go in the water next to get on the boat. You ready for that?
No.
Why?
All right, here we are off to Nusa Lembongan. And we're gonna meet up with Alicia and Mike and their kiddos.
Got shoes in here? All right. Getting on the boat.
Bye.
Now this is what I call making an entrance.
I'm gonna drop my bag.
Yeah, Ryder doesn't want to be get his feet wet, so I gotta carry him. What do you say?
Carry me.
The biggest diva of the whole trip is Ryder. Okay. You make it? You make it, Ryder? Hopefully Sandy got some seats for us.
We got seats together, can't believe it. Have been right. I love that they always have on cool music in every single boat we've been on, all over Southeast Asia.
It's getting hot here.
All right, looks like we're here.
I think we're here. Whoa, water looks really good.
The water looks gorgeous.
Come on, boy.
Oh, thank you.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
And that's how you get off the boat. We are in Nusa Lembongan. Woo! What do you got?
Shoes?
Where's our
luggage and shoes?
Oh, here it comes. Holy shit, this guy's carrying both? Yeah, just put it here, I'll get it. What's going on?
All right, so we're supposed to have a ride to our hotel, Shipwreck, but I had a sticker on, a huge sticker, and it's gone. I don't know where it is, and I don't know if that means that we don't get the ride. We're good. All right, we're good. I told them I lost my big sticker. Typically, when you buy your fastboat ticket, it does include transportation to your hotel at your destination. But whatever you do, don't lose that sticker, because that is your ticket to your hotel.
Hello, everybody. You want it on top or no? Alright, Sky, here we go.
I know! That is special.
We got about 3 inches on each side of the road here. Keep your arms in, mommy.
Arm in, guys. All right, here we are, Shipwreck. Shipwreck City.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Crap out, guys. How's it going? Good to see you. How you doing? Hi.
So if you're wondering who Mike and Alicia are, we met them through Instagram. They were following us at the time and saw that we were in Bali. Coincidentally, they were in Bali as well.
That one.
Let's get some footage before we wreck it.
Before we destroy it? What do you guys think about the room? Yes. What do you guys think? So good to see you guys.
So Mike and Alicia got to Nusa Lembongan before us and snagged this whole compound for both of our families to stay at for the week. It cost about $65 a family, and for us, we had a 2-bedroom villa, we had a private pool, and breakfast was included every morning. We are still blown away by how affordable the accommodations are in Southeast Asia.
All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna go over the bridge. What do you think? You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, so cool, huh?
All right.
it. That was it. How was it? Pretty badass?
Holy crap.
That was kind of crazy. Love to do when we get to a new island is hop on our scooters, drive around the island, and see what happens. This is a perfect example why. We had to stop and get some gas for my scooter. So as the guy was filling up my tank, he asked if we wanted to follow him to the secret beach. And in the words of Billie Eilish, duh, yeah. So we followed him down this old country road to one of the most beautiful beaches called Secret Beach.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow.
So we followed him on the scooter, and here we are at the Secret Beach. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Look, this
Secret Beach is beautiful!
Here comes the big wave, watch out!
It's amazing how getting pummeled over and over again is so much fun. It brings you back to when you're a kid. You came in, it pushed you all the way to the shore. You're like, what the hell? So if you were wondering where Ryder was the whole time, he was on the beach hanging out with the locals, learning how to catch fish.
All right, so I don't know if anybody's gonna have the balls to do it, but today we are at the cliff jump point. Let's see if we can do it. Blue Lagoon.
All right, so I really want to do it. I really want to have the balls to do this jump. Not the high jump, but the low jump. It's still a pretty good jump. So, I don't know.
I'm going to do it. So, we are going to be jumping off these cliff dive jump things. Here's the first one down there.
Dun, 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 dun. She's gonna jump and it's really high. All right, any last words? Good luck, yeah. That was a nervous laugh. Woo! Get it, girl! It's really high, but you don't care, cause you got big balls, baby. What do you think, your wife?
No, I don't want to crash into these rocks.
Whoa.
Come do it first.
We're down 20%.
Woo! Yeah, girl!
Yeah!
You're good, there's no waves. All right, Mike, come on. Your turn right now. Is it, you need the rope? The rubber? Was it hard?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go, nice. How was it? Good job, girl, that was something else. All right, how was it?
I'm trying to catch my breath. It was
Was it
rough.
freezing?
Super cold, takes your breath away as soon as you hit the water. I think the scariest part was just the waves coming.
Yeah. I know, I
Swimming
ran
as
over.
fast as you possibly can.
All right, you guys want to go?
No, if you don't
One
do
of you guys could go.
if you don't do
Kelly,
it,
you want to go first?
no. If you don't do it, nobody else is gonna do it.
I'm nervous. All right, the kids are gonna go. If she goes, I'll go.
3,
3,
2,
1.
1, go!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! It's cool. Just do it! Do it! Yes! After this one. Are you nervous? The kids are doing it. I have to do it.
No.
Can we hold hands? Okay, next, are we going?
Yeah.
We got a wave coming.
2.
No, wait. Hold on. You want to go first? Okay. Oh my God! Next, go! Swim, next kick. Oh shit. How was it? Can't believe she just did it. I can't do it, babe! All right, you do it. I'm gonna hold the drone. I'm gonna hold the drone.
I don't want to do it. What's going on? What's going on?
All right, I completely chickened out. Water's just not my thing.
That's pretty far. I don't know if I want to do that or not. All right. Oh my God, I do not want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do it. I don't think I want to do it. It's too high. Yep. All right. Drone's got to be landed.
Man, we burned through a whole battery. How do you feel? That's pretty ballsy. Give me a high five.
It's way, like when you're like, it's way farther down.
I know, and that's why I got so scared. All right, where's Mike's jump at?
I don't know. I think the tide's a little too low.
Oh my God, he's gonna chicken out. Oh my God, 10 minutes ago. He can't even look. Look at the camera. Say you're chicken
Look at
out.
You jump into that.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got 4 adults, and only one of them made it down the jump. Who made it down the jump?
I did. Woo!
So heights are definitely my thing.
I'm gonna make that video null because I'm doing this.
Yes, we're all gonna look like big weenies on this video.
I'm the only one in my family that did it.
What's going on? Damn, that's really high now.
Look, if you can't even step out.
What's going on?
The waves are coming towards us.
What do you think? What do you think?
I'm very sad to say that I chickened out. Water's just not my thing, like stuff like that.
Water? How about the heights? I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't have to impress any more chicks. I got one right here. My testosterone's not what it used to be. I don't need to do this shit.
Mine either.
I don't need to do this shit.
I looked over that damn edge and it looked really far.
I'm gonna bow out gracefully, and the little kids can make fun of us and do whatever they want to do. I don't give a
I'm
shit.
good. I'm good.
I'm not
I'm
doing
confident
that.
in myself.
I won't even do the slide at the water bomb where the floor drops out. I'm not doing that.
He didn't. I did it.
Sorry. Sorry to let everybody down out there in the viewing
What do you
world.
do, Jason?
Yeah, you're not gonna do it if you think about it. So I just asked Mike, he's been wanting me to put up the drone to get him jumping off, and he said no. And then he jumped off. I didn't get it. Whatever though.
Babe, how do you feel?
How was it? What'd you just say?
I definitely fell for like 10 more seconds
I
than
felt
Alicia did.
longer than you.
Ryder, you wanna do it? You gonna do it, Ryder?
I chickened out on the low zone. I'm okay with that.
All right, where the heck are we? Where the heck are we going? Oh my God, look at that. Holy crap. Are you gonna jump in there? Where are we?
We're at Devil's Tier
Devil's Tier.
in Lembongan.
Woo, it looks pretty devilish.
So what it is the water comes in, crashes against the rock so hard, and the spray comes up, and that's supposed to be called
My
Devil's
God,
Tier.
what's going on over here? Guys, be very careful around the edge, okay?
Okay, they want a picture with the kids. Just don't push the kids off, okay? All right, look at this. Oh my gosh. Cheese. So as we're sitting there watching the Devil's Tier, we get swarmed by a lot of Chinese tourists that want to take pictures with the kids. I'm okay with that for a little bit. But one tried picking up Ryder right at the edge. Our next stop was the Gala underground house, which was built by Made Bayasa, who built this underground house by himself using nothing more than a crowbar. He started the project in 1961 and finished in 1976.
I want to go in.
Can we go down in?
Yeah.
This is the son of the original guy, Made, who built the underground house. He was the donation collector.
So we are in an underground house. I don't know where it is because it's underground. So we gotta find it. You guys know where it
Holes
is?
everywhere.
You know where this guy?
I see a hole there and there.
What are you guys saying? You see it anywhere?
Oh,
Ryder,
I see a hole
what's
there.
down there? An underground house?
Are you scared?
Who would put their house underground?
It's
Oh my God. Are we going down there? Goonies. What'd you say, Ryder?
It's like in Doonies. Goonies.
It is.
You jumped down there?
From
Wow.
India. Pendawa and
What did you say?
For meditation.
Yeah, Pendawas 5 brothers, Parawas 100 brothers, 2 per minute.
These holes look really small that we're supposed to go into.
How many? So tell me how many inches is this?
So I think it's 2 bedrooms, 7 exits, ventilation system, but it looks really small and dark. It might make you trip.
Hey, it's meditation, baby.
Come on, squeeze.
Stay close to that. And you too, Sky. That's a mud.
I'm going in the hole. I'm going in the hole. All right, you might as well take your camera bag off because it's tight.
You think there's spiders down here?
Stay with them, okay?
What do you think about this?
It's tight.
Where's the actual house?
Real tight. So you just come down here and meditate. That's it. Nixie. Man, I don't know what the hell is going on down here. I lost everybody. Where are you guys? Oh my God, I gotta find them. I went down the wrong way. There's 7 exits. I think they found a big room to hide out in.
We're in here.
Hopefully there's no snakes or anything or spiders. Ah, they went this way, guys. Yo! I don't know, where are you? Oh my God. No! Oh, fuck. Hello?
Yeah.
Where are you? Where are you? There they are, I see you. Ow! I'm ready to get out. It's a little creepy for me. Oh my God. What do you think? Whoa. All right, so we've been in here about 4 minutes. I think I'm good. Oh man, who would be scared of spiders down here at night?
What?
So head it up.
All right. Okay.
You made it.
Underground house. Check that one off the list.
I think the kids went
The
back
kids
down
went
there.
down one of the 7 entrances. Now we have to go find them. I don't want to go back
I'm
in.
not going back in. He's selling stuff. So what'd you guys think of the underground house?
Probably not good.
Claustrophobic.
Okay.
When you were a little boy, did you help dig? Well, did you help? Yeah?
Hammer in this.
Hammer? Yeah?
Hammer and chisel, wow.
You guys can see spiders.
Sky, what'd you think?
Cool.
Haley, what'd you think?
Cool, but there was one spot that was like this small. Yeah, that's the one with the finger.
You bumped your head. Nix, what'd you think? Bad. Nixon got a bump on her head. Where's Ryder? Did you like it?
I'm on your phone.
No. Did you like the underground house?
I'm gonna do that 100 times.
Oh, yeah?
All right, guys, we came to the underground house. We saw the underground house. We went underground in the underground house.
Now it's starting to rain.
And now it's starting to rain. No, it's not. I asked him what happened if it did rain. And he said it fills up for about 2 days, but then it all goes away.
Oh, Mommy,
You ready to get out of here?
Yes. You definitely know you're in a tropical climate when a downpour comes out of nowhere.
Sandy!
And scooters are definitely not the best way to get around during a downpour.
What do you think, Nick? The port's far. So, what are we doing, Sky? What are we doing, Sky? We got caught in a rainstorm.
Oh my God.
What's up?
That was interesting. If you like this episode of Trying Something New, definitely check out the next one, where we're also in Nusa Lembongan. We meet some locals, charter a boat, swim with some amazing manta rays, and celebrate someone's birthday. No tropical island getaway would be complete without an epic sunset. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our Patreon page. Like, subscribe, follow, ring that bell, and remember, get out there and try something new.